What's going on, everybody? My name's Roscoe and welcome back to another video. So I clearly have a bunch of stuff that I need to unbox. Some of this stuff has been sitting in my room. So I got what? 3, 2, I got 5. So without further ado, let's unbox it all. Now, I don't know which one this is. This is from Adidas. This is from their last drop. I'm excited to see these, but we're gonna check these out. Okay, I know what these ones are. This is from the last drop, and this is the Lexicon, the one that Jonah Hill, that sneaker that they just dropped. I think it retailed for 120 bucks, because I've been curious to take it out. Ooh, these are nice. Ooh, okay. So this is the Adidas Lexicon. I like this. This is really nice. This is one of their newest silhouettes. The blue, white, and black pair. So this is the first sneaker I picked up. Alright, so we're gonna check out this brand. Now these are Soulsfeng. They sent me these. I'll put their Instagram down below in their website if you guys are curious to check it out. Super like techy, I wanna say. Definitely futuristic. That's what I would say their style is. You know, this is just a straight startup company too. Okay. Extra insoles. It just says Soulsfeng, New York. These are crazy. These are wild. Alright. But these are the Soulsfengs. So this one has roses and it says, I am sneaker fans. Cool. Oh, sneaker Fang? I am sneaker Fang. I can't read. Chinese graphics on the inside, the medial side. Kind of fun. As far as like materials, it's not bad. It doesn't feel cheap. Definitely a cool customization. Yeah, so it's the same design on both. These are the shoes. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. So this is them. Let's open up this one. I'm curious to see this. He reached out to me. He says he was a fan of the channel, but Montana _1440. And I have no idea what these are. Check these out. Alright, so another customization. Wow, these are super light. What shoe is this? I appreciate the support, bro. He sent me some like colorful sneakers. I don't know what these are. Guys, I appreciate the support. I really do. Thank you, man. Thank you. I don't know. We'll see if they fit. They look pretty big. Shout out to you for those. These ones, whew. This one is from Adidas as well. Oh my god. Yes! You know, these can't get. Here we go. The box. I don't need that. Yes! Ooh. Wow, these are fire. This is the gray camo Bape Ultra Boost. I'm extremely happy with it. I like how stealthy this one looks. I like the gray on gray and black. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these, because I think resale on these is kind of high. I believe this one's right around $350 to $400 depending on the size. But these are fire. Super excited to have these. So definitely probably one of the best pickups of 2019 so far. Now, these are from Lagoon Goods. I'll put their Instagram down below as well, so if you guys want to check them out. Wow. Some of this stuff I will give away to you guys if you're interested. Cool. So they sent me a hat. Yeah, so this is Goon. Just says Goon on this. This one says insert hype brand here. This one, that's what it says. Ooh, I like this one. This one's sick. This just says Lagoon. Lagoon HQ. That's dope. And then it just says Goon on the back. Alright, and then I got another beanie. This is the beanie I absolutely love. I'm not going to open it up, but I love this beanie. And I love the neon. I don't know what these are. So they sent me these multicolor socks. What is this? Oh, mouse pad. They sent me a mouse pad with their logo and some post-it notes. So they sent me that, and they sent me, this is a Metro card when I go to New York and use it. What's this? Oh, a mug. Yeah, they got me a mug. But yeah, cool. Put a little bit of scotch. Scotch. I'm wildin'. I got a bunch of t-shirts. How many t-shirts I got? A lot. So, wow. So this one says greetings from Goon. Dope. This one's just a gray in XL. I'm gonna open this one up because this one I wanna see. Oh no, it has stuff on the side and the back. Scared money, don't make money. Meek Mill, bro. Alright, this one is Mr. Frosty. I like the color of this shirt. It's a cold world out here. Kids, bundle up. Guys, follow me on Instagram. I might make a post with this stuff. This one is same thing. I like this ice cream though. Dude, that's like the best ice cream. Definitely do. And then I got a couple more. This one just says Lagoon HQ, and I'm sure it has something on the back. It has the goon on the back. Fire. And then the last one is Lagoon. Definitely fire. So I appreciate you guys for sending me all this stuff. Guys, be on the lookout on my Instagram. You can win some of this stuff. And be on the lookout. I'm going to drop a review on the Babe Ultra Boost and the Adidas Lexicon. But guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. A lot.